welcome again. So in this tutorial, we're basically going to check palindrome check in Java. So what is a palindrome? So a palindrome is a word, phrase, or sequence that reads the same backwards as forwards. So the same way this word is read backwards is the same way it can be read forward as well. So in this tutorial, we'll basically see how this can be done, or how strings can be read to be checked if it's a palindrome or not in Java. So the first thing we'll do is create a project. So we'll say next. So call this palindrome check. Okay, we'll click finish there. So what are we going to do first? Let's create a method first. We'll say static boolean. So we'll say is palindrome. So it will take in a string. Okay, str. Okay, so once it takes in a string, we'll say integer I is equal to 0, comma, we'll say j is equal to str dot length -1. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is introduce a while. So we'll say while I is less than j, I is less than j. We'll introduce an if statement. We'll say if string dot that I is not equal to string that j. Okay, what do? Return false. Okay, then we'll say I plus plus, then we'll say j that. Then here we'll return true. Okay, that is fine. We've done that. If that is equal to that, that is equal to that, that looks okay. So the next thing we're going to do is inside our main method, we declare a string. We'll say string. We'll say string str is equal to gigs. Then we'll say string str2 is equal to, we'll say res cars. Okay, then we'll say string is equal to, say string is equal to, say str2 lowercase. Then we say string 2 is equal to string 2 to to lowercase. Okay, once that is done, we'll say system.out.println. So we'll say string1, so we're checking now if is palindrome string1. Okay, so if it's palindrome, system.out.println, we'll say it is a palindrome. We'll say else it is not a palindrome. Okay, that looks fine. So we'll just say system.out.println there. Then for string 2, we'll say system.out.println, we'll say string 2. Okay, so we'll do the same thing. We'll say if is palindrome, we'll say str2. Then we'll say system.out.println, we'll say it is a palindrome. It is a palindrome. Then we'll say else system.out.println, it is not a palindrome. Okay, I expect this to be okay. So moment of truth, let's try to run it. Okay, it is not a palindrome, it is a palindrome. Let's try to do this. Okay, that is okay. That is okay. Okay. Oh, no, sorry. Let's undo there. Let's copy this. Okay. Let's just make sure that all is well. Okay, let's go line by line again. So static that is palindrome, we're giving it str that. So we're saying that. Let's try to run it. Okay, we're making a mistake somewhere. Where is that? Where are we making that mistake? Okay, let's take it back there. We took it on top just for easy readability, but it's fine. Let's try to see. So we declared that is palindrome. We declared the string str. So we initialized I is equal to that, j is equal to str dot length minus 1. Okay, so we said wow I that is that. So we say if str that is not equal to that, which looks okay, so we're returning false. Then we'll increment the first pointer and decrement the other. So we've incremented I, then we've decremented that. So else return true. Okay, this is fine. Then let's go to our main method. We've declared two strings. The first string is geeks, then the second string is rescas. Okay, resca, let's try to run it there. Resca. Okay, we're able to see that we gave it rescas, so now we're able to see that that is a palindrome. Let's add another word here. We'll say that. So both responses here must be palindromes. So this is a palindrome and this is a palindrome. So if we say test is not a palindrome, let's run it. Yes, so you're able to see that and that. Okay, let's try to push this here. So we able to see that string 1 is not a palindrome and string 2 it is a palindrome. Okay guys, and there you have it. That's how you can check whether a string is a palindrome or not in Java. Thank you for watching.